Do you have a loose flush handle on your toilet? This is a very simple fix. It's a very simple do-it-yourself project. Let me show you what you need to do. Start by taking the lid off the tank. Next, go inside the tank where your flush handle goes through, and there's a plastic nut you need to tighten. Now these are threaded the opposite way of normal nuts, so you need to turn it counterclockwise. So just turn it with your hand till it's nice and snug. And now you have a tight flush handle again. Put your lid back on. Turn the water on if you turned it off. And this project is complete. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope it's been helpful to you. If it has, please click that like button down below. Also, I sure would appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. That way you can be notified when new videos come out. Thanks again.